Hi guys! I'm back with another lesson, and our lesson for today is about adding integers. In our previous lesson, napag-aralan na natin ang set of integers. Kung hindi nyo pa po yun napanood, pwede nyo po yung balikan para mas maintindihan natin ang ating lesson for today, which is adding of integers. Recap lang tayo ng konti. Ano nga ba yung set of integers? Sets of integers are whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. When we perform mathematical operations in set of integers, we follow different sets of rules. And one of that rule is you need to look at the sign of the number. So you need to check whether it is positive or it is negative. And speaking of rules, we have two rules in adding integers. So the first rule is if the addends have the same sign, whether it is positive and positive or negative and negative, the numbers are added and copy the common sign to your sum. Ibig sabihin, kapag ang addends mo ay magkapareho yung sign, whether it is positive ba sila pareho or negative sila pareho, ang gagawin mo is i-add mo lang yung number and then copy mo yung common sign sa iyong sum or sa iyong answer. Ngayon is i-apply na natin ang ating rules, which is kung meron silang magkaparehong sign, ibig sabihin i-add lang natin yung number and then i-copy natin yung common sign. So for example, this one, positive 15 plus positive 20 is equal to, ano yung rule natin? I-add natin yung addends or yung mga numbers. So 15 plus 20 is equal to 35. Ayan, kita ba yung 35? So 35. And ano yung common sign nila? So positive and positive. Ibig sabihin, ang sagot natin is positive 35. Or pwede nyo rin hindi na isulat itong positive sign. Kasi ang mga numbers na walang nakasulat na sign, automatic na yun siya considered as positive. So, ito na yung sagot natin sa positive 15 plus positive 20 is equal to positive 35. Our second example is negative 10 plus negative 10. Still, magkapareho yung sign nila, pero negative yung sign nila. So, ang gagawin natin is i-add natin yung mga addends, which is 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. And then, ano yung kanilang common sign? Negative and negative. So, ibig sabihin, negative 10 plus negative 7 is equal to negative 17. Ayan. So, yun yung sagot natin. Rule number 2. Sa rule number 2 naman tayo kapag hindi magkapareho yung ating sign. So, if the addends have different sign, whether it is positive and negative or negative and positive, ano yung gagawin natin? First, disregard the sign. Next, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. And lastly, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, ano yung ibig sabihin? Kapag hindi magkapareho yung sign ng ating integer, whether it is positive and negative or negative and positive, ang gagawin natin is i-disregard natin yung sign ng ating mga addends. So, wag nating pansinin yung sign nila. Pagkatapos, ang susunod nating gagawin is i-subtract natin yung maliit na number from the bigger number. And pagkatapos nating mag-subtract, kung ano yung sign ni bigger number, yon ang kukopyahin natin sa ating sum or sa ating sagot. Yun ang ilalagay nating sign. I-apply natin siya sa ating examples. So, we are now adding integers with different signs. So, magkaiba na yung sign na i-add natin. So, we have here positive 39 plus negative 29 is equal to, ano yung gagawin natin? Unang gagawin natin is i-disregard the sign. I-disregard natin ang sign ng dalawang addends natin, which is positive and negative. Huwag natin siyang pansinin. Pagkatapos, ang gagawin natin is i-subtract natin ang maliit na number from the bigger number. So, ibig sabihin, magiging 39 minus 29. So, 39 minus 29 is equal to 10. Susulat natin ang ating sagot. And pagkatapos nating i-subtract ang smaller number from the bigger number, ano yung gagawin natin? Kung ano yung sign ng bigger number natin, yun ang kokopyahin natin. And since ang sign ng ating bigger number is positive, ibig sabihin, ang ating sagot is positive 10 or 10. So, pwede rin ganyan pagkasulat. Automatic na yan kapag walang positive sign, automatic na yan siya as positive. So, ito yung sagot natin sa positive 39 plus negative 29. Number 2. Number 2 is positive 13 plus negative 25. So, first, ang gagawin natin is i-disregard natin itong sign ni positive 13 and negative 25. And pagkatapos is i-subtract natin yung smaller number to the bigger number. Ibig sabihin, 25 minus 13. So, 25 minus 13 is equal to 12. Ayan. And last one is kung ano yung sign ng bigger number, yun ang ilalagay natin na sign sa ating sum or sa ating sagot. So, ano yung sign ng ating bigger number? Negative. Kasi negative 25 yung malaki. So, ibig sabihin, positive 13 plus negative 25 is equal to negative 12. Yan na yung sagot natin. O, di ba napakadali lang mag-add ng set of integers basta alam natin yung rule. Ano nga ba ulit yung rule? Kapag magkapareho yung kanilang sign, whether it is parehong positive or parehong negative, ang gagawin natin is i-add lang natin yung ating addends pagkatapos kopyahin natin yung kanilang common sign and meron na tayong sagot. And ano naman yung rule in adding set of integers with different signs. So, ang gagawin natin is, unang gagawin natin, i-disregard natin yung sign ng ating addends. Pagkatapos is, i-subtract natin yung maliit na number from the bigger number. And pagkatapos, kung ano yung sign ng bigger number, yun ang ilalagay natin sa ating sum as ating sagot. So, napakadali lang. Ngayon is, i-solve natin itong nasa board. Alam ko na naintindihan na natin ang adding of integers. So ngayon, alam ko rin na masasagutan nyo ito ng tama. Number 1, negative 28 plus positive 7. So hindi magkapareho yung sign nila. So ang sagot natin is, isubtract natin si 28, isubtract natin si 7 rather kay 28. So 21. And ano yung sign ng ating bigger number? Negative. So ang sagot natin is negative 21. Number 2. Positive 16 plus negative 13. Again, i-disregard natin ang sign and pagkatapos i-subtract natin itong smaller number from the bigger number. So, 16 minus 3 is equal to 13. And ano yung sign ng ating bigger number? Positive. So, ibig sabihin, positive 16 plus negative 3 is equal to positive 16 plus negative 3 is equal to positive 13. Now, let's go to number 3. Positive 9 plus positive 9, magkapareho yung sign nila. Ibig sabihin, i-add lang natin yung number which is 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. And pagkatapos, iskopyahin natin ang kanyang common sign which is positive. So, positive 18. Now, let's go to number 4. So, negative 43 plus negative 10. Again, magkapareho yung sign nila na negative. So, i-add natin yung number. 43 plus 10 is equal to 53. And ano yung kanilang common sign? Negative. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating sagot is negative 53. Sana ay may natutunan tayo sa ating lesson for today. Ang susunod nating lesson is subtracting integers. Salamat po sa iyong panonood. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang i-like ang ating video at i-share ang ating video. And huwag niyo rin pong kalimutang mag-like and follow sa aming page at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Salamat sa panonood. See you on our next lesson. Bye, guys!